Welcome to my train layout, where we'll be seeing a meet between passenger trains number 6 and number 18 in Rice Lake. First we'll watch Rice Lake, Dallas and Menominee train number 18 depart from the Ashland Depot. Train 18's schedule requires a 2 p.m. departure, with arrival 30 minutes later at Rice Lake, where it meets train 6. The clock says it's 2 p.m., time to leave. The depot is a photo of the actual Ashland, Wisconsin depot mounted on foam core. The kit-bashed open vestibule combine is based on an article in the May 1985 issue of Model Railroader magazine. Train 18 will also pick up an express car in Rice Lake. The oil and water tanks serve a nearby logging branch line. Employees of the Roadhouse are watching for train 18. The Roadhouse exteriors are photo images with Grant Line windows and doors. The backdrop trees are photo images found online and expanded using Photoshop. This part of the layout is only 1 by 8 feet, yet accommodates 2 branch lines. Trains come and go through a portal in the backdrop. Train 18 comes into the north end of the village of Rice Lake, behind the Rice Lake Lumber Complex. The train approaches the depot platform. The back of the depot serves branch line trains, while the front handles mainline traffic. Train 6 began in Minneapolis with an express car pickup in Barron. It arrives on time. This meet between trains 6 and 18 allows passengers to connect for another destination. The depot is scratch-built of styrene using Soo-Line drawings. Train 6 departs on time with its final stop in Duluth. After the departure of Train 6, Train 18 will add an express car from the house track. Train 18 will depart, joining the main line. Its next stop is Barron, and it will eventually terminate in Minneapolis.